Today I'm going to talk about my screen recorder. So let's get started. So this is my screen recorder, and this is a very simple screen recorder. So you can stop, record the audio, or record the video, or record your screen, which I'm doing right now. And it is a website, not an application. So it's great that you don't need to install anything on your computer. So you can record audio, video too. And if you stop, you can preview the downloaded the created file which you created in a new tab, and you can also post to YouTube, and it will open it in the YouTube Google editor. And this is a simple recorder, so you can just share your whole screen, share your window, or share a tab, which I'm doing right now. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you soon and bye.